The premiere of I'm No Angel, 1933. Bonzo the Chimp signs a contract, circa 1950. Ida Lupino giving Santa a birthday spanking, 1942. Irving Berlin in a garden, circa 1929. Anime One arrives at a premiere, circa 1933. 3. Douglas Fairbanks goofs off on the set of Robin Hood, 1922. Cary Grant wearing a suit of armor, 1946. Makeup artist Jack Pierce trims wolf gloves, circa 1940. Charlie Chaplin shows off a doll of himself, 1918. Marilyn Monroe in one of her earliest roles, 1947. Rooney and Judy Garland in Strike Up the Band, circa 1940. Clara Bow with her Airedale Terrier, circa 1930. Betty Grable and Carmen Miranda together in Springtime in the Rockies, 1942. 5-year-old Shirley Temple signs a contract, 1934. Mary Pickford poses with a camera, year unknown. Elizabeth Taylor helps Lassie sign a contract, 1943. 3. Hattie McDaniel holds flowers, 1941. Lucille Ball at 23, 1934.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.